Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I have got an unboxing for you and it's the first one for August and it's the gorgeous Glossybox and it says the art of beauty. It's really pretty design. Really nice. So if you're new to Glossybox and you want to learn a little bit more, then carry on watching. But as always, if you've seen it all before and you just want to see what's inside, then you will find a timestamp down below in my comments, so you're free to flick forward. This box was kindly gifted to me for free in exchange for showing you and telling you all about it on my channel. There is a code this month which will entitle you to a surprise at checkout. I don't know what the surprise is, but the code is Glossy. I'll pop that down below in my description, as well as links to this subscription and any limited edition boxes they currently got as well. So you'll find that all that down below there if you want to check it out. This is Glossybox UK and it costs £13.25 and that includes shipping. And inside you'll receive 5 beauty treats. Some months are better than others, as you'd expect with subscription boxes that are essentially mystery boxes. And what you're seeing in this video is a PR box. So all the PR boxes that they send to me, all the products inside new subscribers will receive. Sometimes there are variations. I have seen a press release and I think there might be one variation in amongst the list of the products. I'll put all that information down in my description. So if you want to see what the other items are, you're welcome to take a look there. You can opt for a monthly rolling subscription, which you can cancel any month. Plus they offer a 3, 6 and 12-month subscription at a reduced cost. So I think that's it as far as information goes. Let's get on to showing you what's inside. Oh, I've got a card and it says Love Glossybox on it. It says, hey Glossy, we're so excited to share this month's box with you. As always, each month features 5 beauty products worth over £50. And code Glossy will get your followers a surprise at checkout. Oh, it's a card for me. It's a card for me to share with you. Okay, you won't receive this card, but yeah, it just goes on saying about code Glossy will give you a surprise. I don't know what it is, but as soon as I find out, I will let you know. So yeah, it's a little card from Glossybox. Sneak peek first. There's no card in this month's box. Normally you get a little card and then you get to scan the code and then it tells you everything about the products inside the box, plus it gives you a sneak peek. But if I can find out what the sneak peek for next month's box is and any extra information, then I will pop it down in my description. So yeah, so this is going to be a little bit shorter than usual, but let's start with some fake eyelashes. These are Land of Lashes. They're reusable, cruelty-free nude lash, number 11. I really like these. As with all the lashes that I buy, unless they're 3/4, I trim them. Oh, those are really nice, look. Those are really pretty. They're all curly, can you see? They're really pretty, but yeah, I have to make them into 3/4 because I can't stand wearing eyelashes all the way across my lids. Oh, I hate them. I hate the feel of them in the corners. So I'll be chopping them, unfortunately. So it might look a bit odd because they're beautiful. They're rounded and curly. I wear lashes all the time, although I'm not wearing them today. I have just come back from visiting my mum and dad and I thought, oh, I'll film this video now because I've got a busy day tomorrow and I don't know when I'll get a chance to unbox this video. Next, we have got a Hudgens organic face scrub. You can see. I have got a night oil from this brand and it is gorgeous. It is really lovely. And I haven't tried much else from this brand before, but they're a French brand. It's a purifying glow exfoliator. Ooh. Oh, it smells amazing. Oh, it smells of lemons. Oh, wow. I love that. Lemons. Can you see? It looks almost like an oatmeal. Okay, let's try a little bit on my hand. Oh, it is nice. It is not too harsh at all. Oh, and it's leaving my hands soft actually. Yeah, you can feel the bits in there, but it's not harsh on the skin. I think that would be gorgeous. What is it? Is it a face scrub? Yeah, a face scrub. Yeah, really excited about that. We got a face scrub. Next, we got Naobay. This is a protective hair mask and there's 50 mils here. We tried a few different products from Naobay before. but I don't think we've had a hair mask from them. Is there anything I can tell you? The writing is so small, I can't read it. Maybe I should get my eyes tested. I need glasses for far away. So for watching telly or for driving, I need to wear glasses. But my short distance has always been all right, but I'm questioning that. I can't read it. It is just too small. It's a protective hair mask, a volume conditioner. And then we've got a brush. I'm obsessed with brushes. I love a brush. This is by Luxie. This is beautiful. Oh, this is huge. It's gorgeous. This is an E40 Pro Precision Tapered brush. Look, it's huge. That is huge. Oh, that's so nice. Oh, yeah. Oh, that's so nice. Nice for blush. Ooh. Or even bronze. Oh yeah, or highlight, anything. It's just really nice and soft. Oh, yeah, I really like that. I haven't got a big fluffy one like that, so really chuffed with that. But I'm assuming they put it in this box because of this product. Pixi by Petra, Beauty Blush Duo in Peach Honey. Let's try it my finger. So we've got a blush, like a peachy colour. And then it's a highlighter, it is. Can you see there? If that will pick up. Let's try a bit. Woo! Don't know if that will pick up on the camera. Oh. Maybe this side. I can't see. I can't really see what I'm doing. Oh, I love this brush though. It's so nice. Okay, try a little bit of a highlight on top. Wow, yeah, I can see that. Try a little bit in my hair, in my eyebrows. A little bit on my bridge, a little bit of there. Yeah. Very natural. So those are all the products inside this month's Glossybox. We've got a Pixi by Petra Blush Duo. Well, it's a blusher and a highlight. Then we've got a Luxie gorgeous fluffy brush. We've got a Huygens or Hudgens. I don't know how to say it, even though I've got a night oil. But it's a organic face scrub. Then we got a Naobay, a hair mask. And lastly, we got a set of lashes by Eyelashes, and this is the Nude Lash. This product really excites me because I absolutely love the other products that I got, so I'm excited to try something different from this brand. Love this brush, this floppy, fluffy brush. I love it, and this is nice as well, but I really need to test it with a mirror instead of my phone. Lashes I wear all the time, so yeah, they're really cute. They are really cute. And a hair treatment mask. I need it. My hair, I just let it dry naturally. I've got tape-in extensions. I was going to do a video and share it with you about me having it done, but I bought them myself. Oh, I'm trying to show you a tape. I bought them myself. Oh, there's one. To go on holiday, and I put them in myself and then just blended layers in. So can you see? They're there. But the extensions have gone a reddish copper, faded in the sun and me washing my hair on holiday. But the top of my hair, my natural here, well, and in amongst there, it's gone really pale. So I've got, look at the two-tone hair colour. So I've just washed it this morning and just let it dry naturally. So, yeah, it's not looking its best, but I'm going to have to take these out soon. But I'll take them out, give them a good clean. I might have to re-dye them because I'm not that keen on reddy copper. I prefer orange copper hair. So anyway, I'm going on and on and on. But if you would like a video of me talking about them, how I cope with them, and what I wish I'd learned about them, because they are a flipping pain in the arse to look after and to sleep on and stuff like that, then let me know. But anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll speak to you all again soon. Take care. Bye.